Hey, today is October 31st. Just got my first signal here. I actually had a power outage at my house once this box popped up, so I had to restart, and I was hoping that the box would still be there without turning red already, and that is the case, so we're okay with that. I'm going to go ahead and place my order right here. We're going to look to buy on the limit.
Order pending.
Alright, and I've already set up my strategy, so once we get filled, my 10 tick take profit is going to be entered, and my 15 tick stop is going to be entered automatically. Something good about this particular trade is that, as you can see here, the market came down right here, stopped directly on this S2 level, which is a very good sign for me, because that means this is a level of support, and hopefully we'll get filled here and the market will continue to push up, and if it does come down, it'll bounce off of this again. That's 10 ticks in the red, but we should get a bounce off of that hopefully. Anyway, I will be back with you guys once we get filled. Thank you. Alright, as you guys can see here, we're quite a bit of ways away from our buy level here. The market just continued moving up. I was really hoping we would have got filled on this bar here, but it just didn't happen. So I'm most likely just going to go ahead and cancel this trade, because I got to run off real quick, and hopefully by the time I get back we'll have another setup that we can look at trading. Time is now 12:46. I'll be back by 1, and that will give us 1 full hour to try to catch a trade. I'll be back with you guys then. Wanted to come back with you guys. We just got a sell order here, and I'm gonna wait and see if we get filled. We have a pivot point right here, and as you can see here, from 82 up to 93, so that's 11 ticks, so we should be okay here. We might get filled here shortly, so I'm gonna wait. And from what I can tell, it looks like we should be able to take our 10 ticks well before reaching the green SMA. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, and I'll be back once we get entered into the trade. Alright, looks like we're about to get filled here. It's come up to within 1 tick on several occasions now. And this bar pushed right up here to the exact same point as the previous bar, and my guess is it is going to push through it. And it looks like I was wrong. The way it was moving up so quickly, I was sure it was going to go ahead and tick up that extra point, but it looks like it didn't do it. And now it's completely reversed down to the bottom. Alright, well, I'll just come back when we actually get into the trade. Alright, I did not get filled here. I just had to come back and show this to you guys. As you can see here, we were on 3 separate occasions 1 tick from getting filled, and on this last occasion we were 2 ticks from getting filled. And as you can see, the market just fell out. I mean, it just dropped. So we missed that one, and I doubt it's gonna, like I said, same thing it did down here. It had a nice move up and never came back down, and here we're seeing the same nice move down, and I can't see it coming all the way back up here. So we'll wait and see what happens. I only have another, what time is it now? It's 1:47, so I don't have that much more time here, but if we don't get filled on this one here, this is going to be it for me for the day. So hopefully we will, but either way, I will be back with you guys shortly. Okay, the time is now 2 o'clock, and as you guys can see here, the market didn't come up and fill us, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel out now.
Order canceled.
That is it's a little bit frustrating, seeing as how we had 2 opportunities here that ended up being wonderful trades, but we just didn't get filled, and in most cases it was based on 1 tick. 1 tick here we would have got in and took easy profit. 1 tick here we would have got in and took easy profit. I think actually this one was 2 ticks. Let me see here, from 13 up to 15. So yeah, this one was 2 ticks, but nonetheless both of them were very close, and it just didn't happen for us today. So hopefully tomorrow will be different, and I will be back with you then. If I get another trade this afternoon, I'll do a screenshot of it and post it to the blog. Alright, thank you.